back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
To number 8 of Tyler Johnson. And you got Fowler in the 2, going to go green. Stock 4, green, 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 green. Matt Garrett going to drag him. Here comes Fowler on the inside. Johnson on the outside, 3, 4, almost 4 wide. Matt Garrett and Fowler going to have to go to work. Johnson got the proverbial lead right now. He'll lead lap number 1. Lap number 1 in the books. Johnson, Guerin, Fowler. Top 3. Todd Wade in the 02 car. Todd Wade looking pretty sporty off turn 4. And Taylor Performance number 02. Johnson, you got, here comes Matt Guerin. Wholesale lane change. Crisscross engaged down the back straightaway. Matt Guerin in the 12 on the inside. Johnson hung on the outside like dirty clothes on a Sunday afternoon. Johnson looking good. Boom. Wade made contact with Fowler. He gets a little squiggly. Johnson made contact with the wall. Fowler going to give a little push down in the wall. 3 wide down the back straightaway. Good battle going on right now for the top 4. Johnson still leading the way. Tyler Johnson in that 8 machine. Matt Guerin, Cameron Fowler, Todd Wade, top 4. Here comes Alan Cantrell in the old gold bullet, silver bullet number 3. Everybody rocking and rolling down the front straightaway. Johnson, Guerin putting on the show. Johnson slipped a little bit. Guerin gonna try the outside, the inside. The old Billy Moyer move. Down in the 1 we go again. Top 4 all under a blanket. Like 4 roaches in the housing complex. Getting it on. Wade gonna give a little push to Fowler. Right on the back deck lid. Guerin goes to the outside. Johnson slips up. He goes to the inside. Guerin might have found something on the outside. He's got the momentum. He was watching Casey Roberts a while ago. Caution, caution, caution in 3. 2, 2, 2. Caution in 2. Pulley, Mark, Will, Banks going green on Johnson. Green, 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 green. Fowler and Guerin under fire. Wade in the 02. Wade goes to the outside of Fowler. Contact. Top 4 is hooked together. Down the back straight. Boom. 4 wide. Wow, what a race. What a race in the stock 4-cylinder. Looks like a left rear flat tire on Matt Guerin. Left rear flat tire, got together with somebody on the 12. Left rear flat tire on Matt Guerin's machine. Concession stand wide open. Y'all be sure to visit that deal. We'll have to go down. 6, 7. Here we go off forward. Johnson going green again. Green, green. Mark Will Banks Jr. going to get a run on the outside of the 3. Down in the 1. Almost stuffed him in the wall. Little Will Banks. Oh, trouble for the 3. Trouble for your leader in the 8 car, Mr. Johnson. Boo. They'll give Fowler the lead that time by. Johnson got an eel handling number 8 down into 1. Everybody gets a ride to the carnival. Down the back straightaway, here comes Wade. Todd Wade putting a bumper on Fowler all the way around this hot rod. Kyle white flag. Whoa, Fowler got into the wall. Excuse me, Wade got into the wall. Todd Wade with a handful of that Taylor performance. Gonna have to make something happen. He's gonna try the inside. Here he comes, hot and heavy. Boo! Tuck them both out. Wade, whoa, boo! Caution. Checkered. Goes to 6-7. Wow, the 33. The 33 forgot where the brake pedal was. Wow. 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 Todd Wade went for broke. Cameron Fowler, wow. Trying to use his car to take him out. Wow. Oh, yeah.
Couple of times. I'm gonna tell you what there, Jackie. You was at the right place at the right time. Congratulations on the win on your brand new car here at Toccoa.
Appreciate it. Like I said, better be lucky than good. I don't know what to say.
Jackie has done forgot how to talk. I bet Harley could talk for you though.
There you go. I gotta thank all them, especially Harley, and Daniel didn't make it tonight or today. He was here last night, but I gotta thank everybody at the race shop. Harley, Daniel, Bull, Tom. They like I said, been a lot of work going in this new car, but I gotta thank them all.
We appreciate you, Jackie. It is high time for me to get a picture of you again.
Yeah, thank you. Can't forget, this is, and it's always gonna be, this from my dad.
There you go, yeah, his dad's up there looking down from heaven on him, and I know he's a smiling, ain't that right?
That's right.
6-7.
I think I need to get a few words from Harley here. Harley, are you ever going to come back again?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to be back soon. Right now, we just haven't been racing all that much. But that was an absolute amazing, the way that race just went down right there. Jackie was just out there biding his time and being patient and running. It looked like a third place was where we was going to be. And then look at that at the end, I mean, attrition. And then he drives by them all. Thanks to all you fans. And I want to say Wesley English was a real close friend of mine, and he was really good to me. Thank y'all all for having this race for Wesley. We loved him and miss him a lot.
Well, we appreciate you, Harley, and we want to get another streak going with you here pretty quick.
Oh, man, we got to get back. I miss this place bad. These high banks are always good to us.
Harley, hold it here. Jackie for the win. And that's all the team here. They all work out of that J&H race shop. Ain't that right? Way to go again, Harley. I hope to see you again, too. You ain't changed much. You still look about the same.
Still ugly.